You are going to love the 2018 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, fog lights, day-night rear-view mirror, Sirius satellite radio. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.